And a good Thursday, everybody. The 4th day of March 2021. Here is the future radar for today as I turn it on. Everything's looking pretty good for a lot of people down in the lower 48. We do have a chance of maybe some severe thunderstorms hatching up in northeast Texas Panhandle and western Oklahoma and southwest Kansas today. I'll tell you all about that coming up real shortly. First of all, I want to thank you for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel, and this is Weather Channel J7409. As you can see, we do have a few thunderstorms that may be capable of large hail over parts of northeast Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, and southeast Kansas, and also southwest Kansas. Now, if these occur, these are just thunderstorms that could pop up. This is the areas right in here that are most likely to have hail. Now, it's looking like no tornadoes or downdraft winds should be in these storms, but for this portion of Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas, you got a 5% chance of some large hail occurring if these storms pop up, and when they pop up should be during the late afternoon into the early overnight hours for today. So watch your skies and stay safe. If you're into the weather, watches, warnings, all daily weather forecasts, anything pertaining to the weather, if you haven't subscribed, I'd ask that you do so. Click the bell and check off all. I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to check out Ann Dale Homestead at the Colony. Click show more. The links are below. For all of the watches, warnings, hazardous weather, and advisories, they have been posted in my homepage community post. They're all over there. I would suggest that everyone listen because we have several that are going on. Now, this, of course, is the NAM map from Tropical Tidbits. We'll turn it on and let it roll. We got some snow expected in the central Rockies today, while rain and thunderstorms are likely in the central and southern plains. Critical risk of fire weather is in place for the southern high plains today, and precipitation looks like it will increase for the Pacific Northwest today and in Northern California tomorrow. Now, a low pressure system looks like it's going to move southeastward across the southern plains through Friday into the Gulf of Mexico early Saturday. Now, that's going to spread precipitation across the central U.S. and then the Gulf Coast states. Snow is expected for higher elevations, especially in the central Rockies, where you guys could get anywhere from 6 to 12 inches today before it ends tonight. Move a little farther east, we got rain showers and thunderstorms in the forecast across central and southern high plains, and rainfall amounts should be generally less than an inch, but there is some slight chance of these thunderstorms that could be strong to severe, containing hail, as I've just showed you. Now, light showers and thunderstorms could then spread across central and eastern portions of the Gulf Coast and into Florida later on Friday into Saturday. And Florida, as you can see, right around the Tampa area and then moving on across. This low pressure is this low right here, is moving south. See, check it out. It's what's going to come back, reorganize, and bring you lots of rain probably by Saturday, at least an 80% chance of rain. Now, behind the dry line, we got a cold front. It's mixed up with a low pressure system, and the fire danger is going to be a threat today with dry conditions and very gusty winds with critical fire weather looking like it's going to be over the southern high plains, along with wind advisories and fire weather watches. Check them out. These go from Texas to New Mexico and other parts. You need to be aware because some of these winds are going to gust really high. Now we have a upper level energy spinning in the East Pacific, and approaching frontal systems will lead to increasing precipitation chances in the Pacific Northwest today, spreading into Northern California tomorrow. Rain is expected along the coast and in the lower elevations, while the higher elevations you should see some snow. Snowfall over a foot looks like probably could happen in the Shastas through Saturday morning, with gusty winds possible in the west, and the wind advisories and high wind warnings are scattered into Oregon and Northern California. They are up. Some of these places could hit 70 miles per hour. Be sure and check them out. Elsewhere, we got some rounds of some fairly light snow that's possible across the interior northeast over the next couple of days. That could have accumulations of just a few inches in the Green Mountains and the Adirondacks, and this will be in conjunction with cooler than normal temperatures there over the next couple of days. Meanwhile, the northern plains can expect warmer than average temperatures over the next couple of days. Some of you could see in excess of 60 degrees. Now, when you come over to the coastline here, we're going to warm up today and be very pleasant. Then by the weekend, we'll have a cool down. Then by the first of the week, it should warm up again with warm days and cold nights. Some nights could be freezing. And have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. That's your weather forecast today with Weather Channel J7409. The weather news that you can use. Peace, love, and kindness to all.